I know you're aware, but your ego's too big for you to even care. The doors are wide open, but your eyes are closed. You're unable to look any further than your nose. You open your mouth and all I hear is lies. You keep spreading your message that I despise. The game you're playing is so easy to see. It's just another repeat of our history. You talk about peace, it's a very strong word. It's always been said, but it's never been heard. High-tech weapons are here to reassure it, but I never seen a time when they done a shit for it. True, tell me the truth, motherfucker.